Ever wanted YouTube blasting but Instagram totally silent? Or music on max while keeping your calls slow? Well, guess what? You can now set different sound levels for each app on your phone. Yes, even if you don't use a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra like me, whether you're on Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, or even iPhone, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it on your phone. So don't scroll away. Your phone is coming up. Let's dive in, starting with Samsung. Then we move to other Androids and iPhone. So to begin, you go to settings, and you tap on modes and routines, and you tap routine, and you tap this plus sign here, and you create a new routine. So under the if section here, tap here, and you create a new routine, right? Under the if section, choose app open, app open, and select the app. So select the app. So let's select YouTube for now. Under the dance section, so done. Under the dance section right here, and select the sound mode. Tap sound mode and select. So we select sounds and vibration, and we select the media volume, and we can set it to whatever we desire. If you want whenever we open YouTube for it to be loud, you can adjust that here, and you set done, right? And then you can name your routine YouTube loud, for example, and you turn it on. Now every time you open that app, your phone sets the sound just the way you like it, and you can repeat these steps for all the apps that you want to set set your volume how you want it every time you open it. You repeat for all the apps. For all other iPhone, all other Android phones, Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, so see, these phones don't have native app volume control yet, but here is a free workaround using an app. You go to Play Store, you search and install an app called App Volume Control or Sound Assistant for some Samsung models. Then you open the app and grant all permissions. You select the app you want to control. You set your preferred volume for media, notification, and so on. You save and exit. So the app will auto adjust sound level every time you open those apps. Now for iPhone users, unfortunately, iOS doesn't support per app volume control natively, but here is a smart workaround. Use the shortcut app. Create an automation. Tap automation, and then you create personal automation, and you choose app. You select the app. You tap next. You add action, and you search for set volume. Choose your desired volume level, tap next, and then done. Now your iPhone will change the volume every time that app is opened.